Here's the thing about body positivity. No matter who tells you what, the standard for beauty, for what an attractive man or a woman needs to look like, has not changed in last 500 years, and I definitely don't see it changing for the next 500 years. You don't trust me? Look where I am.
We're sold posters that say every body is valid, and sure, they are. But the bodies that change the game, they come from doing hard things, the kinds most people won't. Because wanting a revenge body is not rare. Doing what it takes to earn one is.
To give people what they've seen is redundant. It won't work. They have to always give something new.
I don't have sugar, I don't have carbs. I live a sad life when it comes to food.
Time!
बोल क्या कर रहे हैं?
One minute.
फेलियर हो रही है. Come on, गिरने दो नीचे. उठाएंगे हम लोग.
Okay, so what do you eat from, say, breakfast, lunch, and dinner? What do you eat throughout the day?
Eggs and chicken, eggs and chicken, eggs and chicken.
Throughout the day.
Yeah.
One tip for anyone out there who thinks they can never lose weight.
If you think you can do it, you can do it. And if you don't think you can do it, you won't ever be able to.
The standards that get shown to us and get representation look like this. Now you see the lie. And God forbid if you ever call them out for the lie, it's then that they will label you as antibodies, fatphobic, toxic, etc. etc. But my friends, at the end of the day, any brand who's trying to sell you anything desirable, the beauty standards still remain this. Of course, for inclusivity, they will probably have like a one-off from our side.
Fitness is like a tripod stand. Good food, good exercise and good sleep. जिम में एक बारी एक आदमी ने मुझे पूछा कि भाई फोटो. I said अगर आप मंदिर मस्जिद या चर्च में होते आप किसी से पूछते? बोला नहीं. तो I said ये मेरा मंदिर है, ये मेरा मस्जिद है और ये मेरा चर्च है. अरे I have only बाजा जवार नाचनी रोटी तो ये जिया बट्टा मेरे लिए कुछ.
Hi guys, मेरा नाम ईशा है. Welcome to my channel which is now called Revenge Body Collective. So a friend advised me that instead of just making videos about random musings of yours, why not connect all of them to like a larger, higher purpose, which sort of totally clicked. Coincidentally, उसी टाइम के आसपास I saw Princess Diana in her iconic revenge dress.
She was due to attend an art gallery. Left to stop the car about 100 meters away. And looking like $1 million.
And that's when it occurred to me that the term revenge has so much of positive aggression. It's more to do with like the mindset to come back better. And eventually, each one of us, every time we want to progress in life, we will stumble, we will fall down, we will fail. It's just that the fact that you choose not to give up and make sure that you come back with same force or more is what revenge is all about. So a revenge body is not just looking in a certain way on the outside, but it's more of a mindset shift कि no matter where you're trying to grow in life or improve, when you meet the obstacles, you refuse to give up and you just hit it harder and keep growing and keep getting better. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही controversial topic के बारे में जो कि है shortcuts to losing weight which are so effective that if people get to know all of them, then not half, maybe 80% of the fitness and wellness industry will just lose their jobs. And probably because of the aggressive power that these cheat codes have, that they have been cancelled.
This is Hailey Bieber. Showing off the waist chain lip balm holder she just dropped with Root Cosmetics. Everywhere you look, people are scrambling to add that chain to cart because it looks so hot. But here's the kicker. You can buy the chain, but you can't buy the waist that makes it look this good. And that's the real joke. You can shop the accessory, but not the sculpted cellulite-free midriff it's resting on. Even someone like Hailey, who seems to have everything on the outside, had a baby barely a year ago, bouncing back looking like this. Now that doesn't happen from vanilla workouts or random healthy eating. It happens because of hard, savage, often uncomfortable things happening around the scenes that nobody chooses to talk about.
And actually, I have lived through both the phases. Here's me at 123 kilos and here's me at about 55 or 60. Almost मेरी आधी से ज़्यादा life I have been the fat kid. And believe me, if you've grown up fat in a small town when body positivity was not big, it's not a good place to be in. Instead of feeling bad about myself for being mocked at or insulted, I collected the words and the instances, and it's all of this that just made my revenge mindset to come back better. तो शुरुआत में I reached out to a lot of these so-called experts who I thought knew how to lose weight. And generally I will always get very universal advice कि सब खाओ, सब पियो, घर का खाना, टाइम पे सो, खेलो कूदो और तुम पतले हो जाओगे. This would definitely have worked for someone who probably is not obese. Let's say if you're at a 0, you will incrementally just do good, be good, move ahead. For someone like me, I was already at a -100. तो मुझे -100 से 0 आने तक it would have taken me 100% effort. From 0 then define plateaus, odds and my thyroid, मुझे आगे बढ़ना था. Clearly all the things which were suggested to me in terms of global ज्ञान did not work. That's when I realized कि मुझे कुछ unusual और extraordinary ही करना पड़ेगा कि मुझे -100 से 0 आना है और उसके बाद आगे बढ़ना है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट रिलाइंग ऑन एनीवन्स एडवाइस, मैं ही मेरा होमवर्क करूंगी, मैं ही खुद को लैब रैट बनाऊंगी, मैं ट्राई करूंगी एंड आई विल विन. एटलीस्ट माई डिपेंडेंसी ऑन एनीवन विल बी सो मच लेसर. After all these years of being my own lab rat, also being my own motivational poster, I can just say कि fat loss को ना दुनिया जितना आप लोग को complicate करके समझाने की और बेचने की कोशिश करती है, it's not really so hard. Yes, it requires us to do hard things, and yes, with each passing stage, it only gets harder. And as long as you have your revenge mindset in place, you will win and you will be fitter than ever. So without wasting any more time, let's go. So, as like a true good Jew, one, I need sugar a little too much.
Guys, sugar is a problem. We all know. Lekin, because the kind of hold that sugar has on our minds, we do not want to get rid of it. तो हम क्या करते हैं ना, instead of getting rid of sugar as a unit so that all of us live longer, look younger forever, we will actually find ways to be able to justify कि नहीं sugar तो चाहिए ही. हम रेसिज्म में चले जाते हैं. हम लोग शुगर को तो चेंज कर नहीं सकते, टेस्ट तो वो चाहिए. तो हम लोग बोलेंगे कि इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग वाइट शुगर इज बैड, वाइट शुगर इज बैड.
Let's just move from white sugar to a darker color, which is brown sugar. After a point of time, we realize white sugar and brown sugar is मोटा same. तो हम बोलेंगे नहीं, अब हम खाएंगे jaggery. This is organic, natural, this. And then you have fruit sugar.
At the end of the day, it is still sugar. Your body cannot discriminate between good sugar, bad sugar. Body consumes energy which is measured in calories. There are no good calories, bad calories. Calories are calories. Here's a chart of sweeteners. Some have small benefits besides the sweetness, but for weight loss, you need to only care about the calories. And in this aspect, all these sugars fail except for the last one, that's sugar-free. First cheat code is to replace all forms of sugar with sugar-free. It's 0 calories, safer for your diet and satisfies cravings, but make sure that it's in controlled portions. Also, it's pretty okay to consume normal sugar every once in a while, which is probably once in a fortnight or a month. Just keep it rare.
Someone like me who needs sugar in life, just switch to sugar. I actually thought that they'll think that I'm like shoplifting. So I actually just did this. Iska और इसका packaging is so similar. Every time you're shopping in the supermarket or on a delivery app, ask yourself only 2 questions. 1, back in the day क्या caveman इसको खाता था क्या? And number 2, अगर ये चीज 2 दिन फ्रिज के बाहर रखी तो क्या ये खराब हो जाएगी? अगर इन दोनों के आंसर नो हैं, so then you already know what you need to do.
Cavemen didn't have protein bars or diet khakras. They ate what they could pick, hunt or grow. Plants, meat, nuts, eggs. No ingredient lists, no packaging, no marketing lies. Today, the food industry slaps organic on a plastic packet and calls it healthy. They hijacked ancestral eating and sold it back to you as overpriced junk. If it wouldn't feed a caveman, it shouldn't feed your revenge body either.
These virtual bags of waste products should be part of their diet. We're spending it on lobbyists who keep you from actually knowing what's in the food we've trained you to buy. We've spent billions of dollars advertising our edible fat shavings. You remember this thing from the commercials we aired on your favorite channels.
I'm addicted to this stuff.
You all are.
It's bad for you, but it tastes good.
The caveman fought wars, he conquered territory, he hunted wild beasts, protected his tribe, procreated, survived, and guess what? He still looked better than most of us today. Same for the cave woman. Strong, fertile, resourceful, desirable, and hot.
Of course, it's not going to be easy, but eventually you will just be so much more sorted in your life in terms of your food choices instead of just reading every label and just getting influenced.
What to add to our chemical crackers to make you tick and keep on ticking. Not in the sense of keeping you alive, more like we've spent millions in funded research geared toward finding out how to make you and your family resemble rats on cocaine.
Everything we're told to aspire in modern beauty existed before food delivery, detox juices, or vegan protein bars. We want a body like a Calvin Klein model, but we eat like a child with a credit card. So here's the cheat code. Do not eat what a caveman could not. Simpler food, simpler life, hotter revenge body. Simple, not easy. Because if it was easy, everyone would do it.
You really think the caveman will actually just wake up in the morning and turn his bib and he'll be like, okay, let's just get Gujarati chunda.
Oh, Mom, can I get some granite corn rice with sugar? Please, please, please.
Fine, but we're getting this low-fat, low-sodium, healthy ground-up corn rice with sugar.
So we started off with a very simple exercise.
Left, right, left, right, left.
Godfather
right.
जी, ये exercise दिन में कितनी बार करनी है?
जब जब कोई तुझसे खाने के लिए पूछे तब.
This is the most underrated fat loss workout of all time. Because real weight loss starts not in the gym, but in the moment you say no. No to mindless munching, no to taste thoda hi to hai. You can eat clean, count macros, buy gluten-free everything, but if you're not in a calorie deficit, guys, you're just jogging in place. The simplest way to stay in deficit, you ask? Well, it's intermittent fasting. It cuts the noise. You don't need willpower for every meal. Just one rule. Eat within a window, fast for the rest. Fasting gives you discipline, deficit, and dopamine all in one. And trust me, nothing tastes better than breaking your fast after you've earned it. So the next time someone offers you fries, cake, or just a bite, just turn your head, do the left and right exercise, and walk closer to the revenge body you actually want.
I said to do before anyone comes. I'm actually sitting on a pot.
One day it's a tweet about diarrhea. The next it's a detox tea ad. Coincidence? No. The glam girls know if you want to look tight, lean, and red carpet ready, your guts gotta be empty. So here's the dirty truth no one tells you. आप ना 500 क्रंच कर लो, लेकिन अगर आपका गट क्लॉग्ड है तो आपका लोअर बॉडी और बेली फैट कभी भी नहीं जाने वाला. You can't drop inches if you're still carrying yesterday's lunch. And no, आपके expensive gut gummies और high fiber granolas are not gonna help. Celebrities सिर्फ fruit bowls पे rely नहीं करते हैं. They quietly keep things moving with mild old school laxatives like Safi Isabgol Triphala, maybe their glam cousins in the West. This is your inner cycle cleanse. Flush before you flex. Your gut will thank you, and so will your mirror.
I don't want no damn kids, okay? But this mom cracked in code and she got me down 3 pant sizes. So every woman needs to watch this video right now.
The shit that all the hot girls are calling nature zippy, and I wasn't expecting this shit to erase. Erase my
I don't know what this shit does to your metabolism, but it speeds it the fuck up. When I'm telling you this shit quite literally got rid of that lower belly pooch that I was trying so hard to get rid of. Also, she didn't mention that it literally snatches your face and gives you like this glow. This was dead ass my face before I started drinking this. Like, do you guys see that? The energy that this shit gives you. I'm cleaning corners in my apartment that I did not even know existed. This shit will have you hot, wired, and unbothered.
Your real best friends on the road to getting and staying skinny. My laxatives it is. You're welcome. So guys, ये था मेरा वीडियो और ये है ज़ुलू बार जो मैं अपने आप को अलाउ करती हूँ हर 15 दिन. Nothing in the universe tastes better than getting myself the Zulu bar that I promised myself for achieving the tasks and following the diet that I commit myself to. I hope आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए. I sort of tried syncing my Zulu bar eating along with the video का outro shoot so that I can tell you that I also eat sweet. लेकिन जैसा sweet है वैसे खाओ. Brown, blue, green sugar करने के अंदर मेरा energy नहीं है. I hope all of you get skinny, fitter, leaner and become like the best avatar of your revenge body soon.